Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disconnect battery from BIOS on TOSHIBA Dynabook Tecra. If you want to do any service work on your laptop, it's great to disable the battery from BIOS, so when you disassemble the laptop, the battery will be already turned off, so you don't have any electrical shocks. And in order to do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which is entered with the F2 key. And if you don't understand how, you can just watch a video on our channel on it. Once that's done, go to the Advanced tab, then go to System Configuration. Now go all the way down until you can see the battery disconnect, and first unplug the cable if you have it plugged in, then click on that, click on yes, and now as you exit out of the BIOS with the F10 key, it will disable the battery, so you won't be able to turn on the laptop until you plug in the AC. When you plug in the AC, the laptop will be able to be turned on, and after you turn it on, the battery will enable itself back again. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.